Professor Body again here, the creator of the Race to Infinity Math game and the author of the Make Math Fun book. Today I'm going to show you a lovely little trick to help you be able to tell whether or not a number is divisible by 6. Okay, so these are some of the things that you would normally come across in real life and have to be able to tell really quickly. It's much easier if you knew a little trick to do these things rather than having to get the calculator out every time on your phone, every time to know. Some of these things are, you can easily just tell by looking at the properties of the number. So is a number divisible by 6 or not? I'll use an example here. So 743, is that divisible by 6 or not? Well, a number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So it's not good if it's divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. It needs to be divisible by both. And I have shown previous tricks in which how to tell whether a number is divisible by 2 and how to tell if a number is divisible by 3. So find those videos on our channel, on our YouTube channel, and you'll see them. However, if you look at 743, is this divisible by 2? The answer is no, because it doesn't end in an even number. Okay, so this is not divisible by 2. To tell whether a number is divisible by 3, you add all of the numbers together and see whether that is divisible by 3. If it's not, then the whole number is not divisible by 3. So look at it, 743, so that's 11. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 3 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3, so this number isn't divisible by 3. In any case, I didn't have to even check whether or not it was divisible by 3 because it was not divisible by 2 already, just by virtue of the fact that the last digit is not an even number. And because it's not divisible by 2, then it's not going to be divisible by 6 anyway, because remember the rule is it has to be both divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 for us to be able to say that that whole number is divisible by 6. So another quick example. If we had 84, is that divisible by 6? Well, let's see. So let's see. First of all, is it divisible by 2? Last digit, is that an even number? Yes, it is. So this 84 number is divisible by 2. And now we want to check if it's divisible by 3. By adding these two numbers together, that's 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by therefore this number is divisible by 6. So 84 is divisible by 6 without actually needing to get a remainder for it. Okay, so last one, let's do a very, very quick one. 740, is that divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2 because of that 0. Yeah, and is it divisible by 3? Because that's because 0 is an even number. Is it divisible by 3? No, it's not, because if you look at 7 and 4, and you add those numbers together, 11 plus 0 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2, but it's not divisible by 3. Therefore, it cannot be divisible by 6. Alright? So follow us on our social media channels, and I'll be back to show you some more tricks for you to show yourself and your child how to be a genius in no time.